Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video yet again. Yes, I know. I'm gonna switch it up, but I have two more things that I want to show you guys that I thought was cool and some companies sent me. So we're gonna give it a try, we're gonna review it, and we're gonna do a tutorial. So as mentioned, we are gonna be doing an unboxing today, and I am going to be doing a tutorial. So what I have here is 6 gels, really pretty gels. So I definitely have used these so many times now, but I haven't given this acrylic kit a try. So everything is from Born Pretty. If you're familiar with that brand, it's a very affordable brand that you can find on their website or even on Amazon. So first we're gonna take a look at this acrylic kit. I haven't opened it, as you see, and I've been eager to open it and give it a try. So I want to say that this kit is $15 on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below for you, which $15 for an acrylic kit is fantastic, because if you do nails, you know that a lot of times you're spending $15 just on the acrylic powder itself and not everything else that comes with it. So here we go. Okay, so when I take it out the box, I can smell the monomer a little bit, but not too strong, which is okay. Usually I smell the monomer with any monomer that I buy because, I mean, it's monomer, it smells strong. So it comes with some dual forms. These type of forms, I don't even know what you call them, like standard forms. We have some different sized nail brushes here. That's cool. We have a file. Now, I don't think it's the best file for filing acrylic, but you know, it's a file. This is everything you need. So here's our monomer. This is 2 ounces. We have a little mini dapping dish. Now this reminds me of when I was in nail school, and this was like the beginner of nail tools that I had. All right, and so let's see, for the acrylic powder, which color is this? Okay, does it say it? Oh, this one's clear. So we have a clear, we have a white, and we have a pink. These are all great colors to have. These are all, I feel like, the essential colors to have with your acrylic. All right, and right here we have the instruction sheet that's gonna walk you through how to do your nails with the acrylic that they have. So this is great if you're someone that doesn't know how to apply the acrylic, the steps you should take. You can use this right here. All right, let's set this off to the side and take a look at these gels, because I love them. Honestly, like, these are everything to me. They're so pretty. If you're really into fall colors or browns, if you love the tortoise shell nails, this kit right here is what you need. It makes everything so much easier, because I personally, before, I was mixing my tortoise shell like colors, or my gel colors, to make the tortoise shell. And oh my gosh, it would always come out different. As you can, like, I think even my last video when I was giving myself a fill, I did the tortoise shell, but I mixed the colors. Anyways, if I had this, it would have made it so much easier. It looks so much better. So I'll quit blabbering and just show you what it looks like. So I actually already swatched these, and I'll insert a video here of me doing that. But it comes with 6 gels, and I've already labeled them. And then I have all of the gels right here. So we have red, we have yellow, we have orange, we have browns, we have light brown, dark brown, and brown with glitter. These, oh my gosh, I feel like these are a staple gel. You need to have this in your collection. Maybe it's just me, because I love doing nail designs with these type of colors, but I mean, this one right here, look at it. It's so pretty. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you my acrylic application on my very crusty nails. I'm just gonna do one hand, and I just dyed my hair, and I had some leftover gel on my nails, so that's what you're seeing right here. So I'm just gonna go through, I'll do prep and everything included in this video, and then the application. I will be using a peel off base coat though, because I'm gonna take these off right after the video. But I wanna show you how I do my nails from start. Okay, so I'm gonna start with pushing back my cuticles. So we're just gonna do that on all of my fingers, all 5 fingers. I promise I'm gonna do a video where I do all 10 of my nails, maybe for my next set that I wanna wear for a couple of weeks. So just push back my cuticles, and then I'm gonna take one of my drill bits. Okay, I'm just gonna take this drill bit, and this is what I use for my cuticles. And I'm just gonna turn it on 10 RPM. And I'm just gonna go back around the cuticle area on the sides. I buff away some of that dry skin. And this right here is just how I clean up my cuticle area to make it look nice and clean and no hangnails, no dry skin sticking out. I do this on every single one of my clients and on myself. So I am gonna skip some steps in the prep, but this is, you know, kind of where I start, and then I go in with the sanding band and I'll buff my natural nail plate to rough it up and make sure that we get the best adhesion to my nail. But I will not be showing you that in this video. I'm just showing you how I do my cuticle work. Now that my nails are fully prepped, I'm just gonna go in with my peel off base coat so that way I can pop off my acrylics once I'm done. All right, now that I have the peel off base coat cured on all of my nails, I'm just gonna go in and apply my nail tips. I'm gonna start with my thumb and then go to my pinky. I did have some trouble actually gluing the nail onto the base coat, but we got it to work. You just have to hold it there a little bit longer. So if you give this a try at home, just hold it there a little bit longer than you normally would. All right, now that all my nail tips are on, I'm just gonna cut these stiletto nails down just a bit so I can have more of a tapered square nail shape. And then we're gonna start the acrylic application process. Here I'm gonna take the Born Pretty monomer and put it into the tapping dish. And you always wanna pour your monomer into a separate dish, and you can use it and refill it as you need to. But we're gonna take the biggest brush that came in the nail kit here because I like to work with a slightly larger brush, and this one's the largest that comes in the kit. Using a larger brush with longer nails will definitely you know, work a little better. So as you saw, I was playing around with the brush a little bit. I was just kind of, it was a little stiff, and I'm going to put in a liquid to soften it up. But the bristles on it feel a little different compared to a normal, I guess, Kolinsky brush. Correct me if I'm saying that wrong. But that's like the standard, I guess, like acrylic brush type, like the hair type or whatever on it. Like, you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know, but that's what it normally is. So anyways, I'm just gonna take the brush and dip it in the liquid and then into the acrylic. As you can see, I'm doing that right here. It's going on, I guess, kind of easy. The brush is not as big as I'd like it to be, but you know, we're working with it. Right here, I'm applying the bead at the cuticle area. The brush is getting a little clogged here, and it's making it hard to work with because it's like dragging through the acrylic. So I just want to show you a close-up of how the brush looks. Like the color changed a little bit. The bristles are almost like like a little crispy. So I don't know if the chemical is affecting the brush like that, or if it even touched water, it would feel like that. But anyways, I definitely don't think this is the best brush to use for acrylic. But if you're doing this at home on yourself and you want to save some money and do your nails for, you know, very cheap, I would say, okay, give it a try. But this would be a one-time use brush, because at the end of me applying the acrylic on just 5 of my nails, the brush was completely damaged, that I would not be able to use it again. But enough about my struggles with the brush. I did like working with this acrylic and the monomer. Like, it wasn't hard to work with at all. It's very smooth. It went on super easy. You know, it dried reasonably fast. So I would just recommend maybe picking up another type of acrylic brush, or even checking to see if Born Pretty would have another type of brush on their website that's higher quality. Since this did come in a value pack, of course it's not going to be the best quality, so I would look at something a little bit better, and I think it would pair like really nicely with the acrylic. Now that I've laid my acrylic and it's dry, I'm just gonna go in with my sanding band and clean up the cuticle area and seal it. Yes, we can all see right there by the cuticle area, I did not get a smooth application. The brush really wasn't working with me, but that's okay. You know, we will file and blend it into the nail and make it look as good as possible. Because you know what they say, trust the process. And really when it comes to nails, you really do have to trust the process. Sometimes it'll look so crazy, but the end result looks great. So stay tuned to see how these nails come out. Now we're just gonna take the file from the kit and I'm just gonna file along the sidewalls, sharpen up the shape, make sure there's no acrylic stuck on the side, and just clean up the nail overall. Okay, now we're gonna get into the nail design. I'm so excited. So since you know it's the holidays, I wanted to go in with the red color, but first we're gonna put on this like cat eye gel underneath the silver, which is really pretty, and this is going to give us like, you know, a special effect nail, which, you know, is gonna be super cute. And this cat eye gel I'm using is from Acrylic, and you just take the magnet and look at it. I love this because it's so cool, and it looks really awesome by itself, but it looks really cool when you put another color over top, like one of the transparent colors. So that's what we're gonna do with the red. But first we're gonna set this into place, and then we're gonna cure it, and then I'm gonna go in with the red gel. When I'm telling you guys this kit, I'm obsessed with, I truly am. I mean, look at it. Look at that red. It has so many good colors. Like these 6 colors that come in this kit are 6 essential colors. I feel like, especially for fall and winter time, they're just super pretty and you can do so much with it. But, you know, anyway, I'm just going to put the red over top of all of my nails here because I think it's going to be super pretty, very great for the holidays. All right, so we have the red on the nails, it's cured, but we need to go in and add something fun to these nails. So I'm gonna take some red stones and charms and add them onto the nails just to give it a little extra flair because, you know, doing the most is always the best. So recently I've been experimenting with this like nail adhesive, like this for the stones. And I actually really like it. I've been using like gem gel and stuff like that, like thicker gels for my rhinestones and stuff. And I do like that, but I was looking for something that wasn't gel and it would look a little bit cleaner and neater. So I've been using this and I like it. You can work really fast with it. It dries almost instantly. You just use a spray to activate it. So I do like it a lot. But I'll see how I like it long term because once again, I only had these nails on for a few hours. I put them on for this video to try out the product, and then I used them to take a photo in for the keys to our new salon. So they popped off like 2 hours after I applied them. How cute is this butterfly charm? Oh, so beautiful. So I'm just gonna put some random placement of charms and stones everywhere on my nails. I have no true idea of what I'm doing. I'm just like, you know what, whatever is gonna look good, let's just do it, experimenting. I don't really work with stones that often, but I've been getting into it more and more, and it's a lot of fun. I do prefer to hand draw things, but I think it's really fun to learn different types of nail art. So, you know, I'm going to try to be good at everything, and I'll let you guys watch me do it along the way of me learning. So this is what the placement looks like. Like, it's not horrible, but it's also, you know, I'm like, whatever. It's a little extra, a little like amateur like, but it's okay. You know, maybe I'll be a bling queen at the end of 2023. We'll see. Maybe New Year's resolution. Okay, so anyways, I'm done with the nails. So I'm going to go in with the cuticle oil and some hand cream because, you know, your nail service isn't complete until your nails look good and your hands are extra moisturized. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like the tutorial, the nail design, and the product review. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll be posting another video here very soon. You guys have a very happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. Take care.